Taking shortcuts in logistics can be disastrous. You might think loading everything into a single vehicle could save money. However, this often leads to overloading. Overloading not only damages your goods but results in legal troubles, including court cases. Therefore, overloading should be avoided. In this video, let's look at the problems caused by overloading and underloading. Overloading comes with heavy penalties. The first ton over the legal limit can result in a fine up to Rs 20,000 and Rs 2,000 for each additional ton. If caught at checkpost, you will be asked to unload the excess, which delays your delivery and increases the chances of damages to your load. Major accidents are caused due to overloading. As per a report from September 2024, every third vehicle in India is overloaded, causing 50% of road accidents. Whether intentional or not, overloading puts both your goods and lives at serious risk. Underloading can also pose challenges. Drivers may take extra loads to utilize the empty space, which can lead to damage to your goods. If the additional load results in overloading, your vehicle may get caught at the checkpost, which may delay your delivery. Underloading can lead drivers to carry illegal items with your goods. It's important to remind drivers to be extra careful, especially in states like Bihar, Gujarat, Mizoram and Nagaland, where liquor is strictly banned. If driver unknowingly carries illegal items and get caught, both goods and vehicles can be seized. If you need your loads back, you need to prove your innocence at court, which may take several months. How to avoid these problems? Always book a vehicle with correct capacity of your load. Measure the truck weight both before and after loading and keep the weighbridge receipts. This can help in proving your innocence in case of overloading issues. Instead of underloading larger trucks, book smaller vehicles like autos and tempos. Keep weighbridge receipts to avoid liability if driver unknowingly carries illegal items. Overloading and underloading both cause serious problems. Share this video with your shipper friends to spread awareness. If you have any tips or suggestions, let us know in comments. Thank you for watching.